morning, everyone. This is Charlotte from Lokuhle FM, the one and only home of inspiring content. Today we are here as Welisha at Zomba. The Premier, Mr. Mandla Ndlovu, is giving out school uniform to the school kids. So stay tuned for more interviews. Pop, 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 pop. We are live on www.lokuhle.fm, the one and only home of inspiring content. And today, like we said, we have the Honorable Premier, Mr. Mandla Ndlovu, who was donating school uniform to the kids at Sabane Secondary School. So, Honorable, if I may ask, what made Sabane eligible to get this donation?
It's because of their performance. First, let me appreciate the time that you have given me to talk to your followers. I have got a constituents office here, and out on my constituents office, there is this school, Sabane School, that attained 100%, and we decided that we must come here and reward this good performance from this school. So we want to thank the school teachers, principals, SGBs for working together and intervene on the life of our children and guide them toward their purposive adulthood.
Thank you so much, Premier. If I may also ask that, how many learners are expected, approximately how many learners are expected to be receiving the school uniform today?
It's 100 learners.
100 learners.
Yeah, they are receiving full uniform, starting from trouser, shoes, shirt, and a jacket. Or jersey.
That is very much appreciated. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. We are signing out from Sabane Secondary School, where the Premier was giving out school uniforms to the learners here. So make sure that you tune in Phela at www.lokuhle.fm or simply download our app. Follow us in all our social media platforms. Is Lokuhle FM across. Ba 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 ba.